Hi there. In the recent couple of weeks, I've had two people come to me on separate occasions and they emailed me saying that they've watched the weekly readings, but it was only after that they had finished watching the weekly reading that they realised it was the wrong date. But the interesting thing was, they said, and both of these people said the same thing, is that the message in the weekly reading, that even though it was a few weeks old, was absolutely spot on for them. It was the perfect message at the right time. So that got me wondering and thinking, could these weekly readings be useful and helpful in other ways too? The weekly readings that I create are designed to give us a general feel for the energies that are around for that particular week. But over and above that, they are messages from the universe, messages from the divine, the angels and guides. So what I have done is I've taken many of my back weekly readings and I have changed the title, I've changed the thumbnail, and I've given each of them a number. What I'd like to invite you to do, if you feel like you're struggling or you want some additional guidance or you want an answer from the universe, from the divine, the angels and guides, is that use those past weekly readings as a resource for yourself. Now, I've put them all under the playlist entitled Messages from the Universe. And at the moment, at the recording of this particular video, I have 33 individual readings there. So what I'd like you to do, if you feel inclined or if it resonates with you, next time you want an answer or some inspiration or guidance from the universe, just take a moment and be very still and quiet, maybe even take some deep breaths and really focus on your own question or perhaps your choice or dilemma, and get very clear with the universe that you want some guidance or you want an answer or you want some sort of direction to whatever it is that you're experiencing. And then ask the universe, open yourself up and ask for a number. Now it has to be between the numbers that I've got in that playlist, and as I say, at the moment I've got 1 through to 33, but there will be more numbers and readings added to this each and every week. So take a look and see how many numbers there are and ask the universe to give you a number between 1 and then however many videos are in that playlist. And then you can go to that precise video and reading, and within there will be your guidance, your message, your inspiration from the universe. Keep in mind that the number may come to you in many different ways. So for those of you that are used to meditating and receiving inspiration, it will come in your normal way, perhaps. But be open that as you go about your day, it might present itself. Perhaps it's a number on a front door or on a billboard or on a TV program. Some of you might ask for the inspiration. You might get nothing at that point in time, but then later as maybe you're cooking the dinner or you're walking the dog or you're perhaps gardening outside, a number might pop into your head. Perhaps someone tells you a number. Maybe you see it very clearly in a book that you're reading. It's almost like jumps out. Some of you might feel a number or just know that it's a certain number. So trust your own intuition that it will come to you in your unique and perfect way. So have fun with it, play around with it, and I'd love to know how it goes for you and just enjoy.